Hello, my name is Bob Evans and I'm going to talk about Gabion retaining walls. A quick overview of how they work. So this is what a Gabion retaining wall looks like. It's normally an inclined structure and you can see the way the blocks are laid here. You can read more detail with this text. Just pause the video and have a read. Let me show you some images of typical Gabion basket walls. So this is a typical retaining wall holding back a large embankment. They can be used in buildings, look very attractive, and then you can see some garden applications and quite a large wall here. Let me show you the design table for Gabion. So we've got the wall height. We've allowed for a 4mm galvan. The stone fill is limestone. And then we've got the base width, base depth, the surcharge allowed, and you can roughly see how the baskets are put together. Every design is different. Every retaining wall needs a design. It's really, really important. You can see here we've allowed for 200 kilopascals for the guide designs above. This particular design here, the ground bearing pressure was 100 kilopascals. So the design was adjusted to suit that. So it's really important to have every retaining wall designed properly. This is a bit of detail for the baskets. So you can see these are the various basket sizes. The number and sizes of the baskets required for any particular wall depends on the design. And then you can see various wire types. So we've got triple life coated, PVC green zinc coated, PVC grey zinc coated, and stainless steel type 304. And then you can see the wire diameters and thicknesses. The type of wire you need for your particular project will depend on location and lifespan you require for the wall. This is a budget calculator for inclined Gabion baskets. So we've got the wall height here, we've got the labour plant material and total and supply only. So for example, a Gabion basket 2 meters high, say 100 meters long, is 200 square meters times 344, which is this price here, giving you a budget of 68,800. And then you can see prices for supply only, labour, plant and material. The cost driver for Gabion baskets is the stone fill, and the cost of the stone fill depends on location and type of stone. The allowance in this particular model is quite high, so these prices may reduce quite a lot depending on location, etc. So thank you for listening. The next step would be to ask any questions or complete the price request form on the page below. So until then, thanks for listening. Bye for now.